Look up and take a deep breath. That burning sphere in the sky, our sun, feels eternal, doesn't it? It rises every morning. It warms our skin. It breathes life into oceans, forests, and every living thing that walks this planet. It's been our guardian for over 4 billion years, and it's easy to believe it always will be. But what if I told you that one day, that same star will die? Not suddenly, but slowly, beautifully, and tragically. The sun's death will not come in fire alone, but in transformation. A change so vast, so cosmic, that it will reshape the very structure of our solar system. A future written in the laws of physics, and one we cannot escape. Billions of years from now, the sun will begin to change. As its fuel runs out, its core will contract, heating up until the outer layers begin to swell. It will grow larger, brighter, and redder, expanding into a red giant. Its atmosphere will stretch out across millions of kilometers, consuming Mercury, swallowing Venus, and maybe reaching Earth. Our once blue planet might vanish in a wave of molten fire. The sun's warmth will become unbearable long before that happens. Oceans will boil, skies will ignite, and the last traces of life will fade under a relentless, dying light. The solar system will become a wasteland of dust and fire. But even this destruction is not the end, because death in the cosmos always gives birth to something new. When the sun has nothing left to burn, it will shed its outer layers, creating a glowing cloud of gas and dust, a planetary nebula, a final, breathtaking display, like a cosmic butterfly emerging from its cocoon. And at the center of it all will be what's left of our star, a faint, hot ember, the size of Earth, yet containing nearly all the sun's mass. A white dwarf. This white dwarf will be unimaginably dense. A teaspoon of its material could weigh tons. It won't shine like the sun does now. No more nuclear fire, no more radiant energy. It will glow only from its leftover heat, slowly fading over trillions of years. The light will dim, the warmth will vanish, and the sun, our sun, will become a silent ghost. The planets that remain, the giants like Jupiter and Saturn, will keep orbiting, but in darkness. No more sunsets, no more seasons, just endless cold shadow. Asteroids and comets will drift aimlessly, their frozen tails glinting faintly in the dying glow. The solar system will become a graveyard, orbiting a memory. And yet, even in that quiet death, there is beauty. The material that once made the sun will scatter across space, carried by stellar winds, joining the dust of other long-dead stars. That dust will gather again, form new clouds, collapse under gravity, and ignite new stars. Perhaps one of those new stars will be the heart of another solar system. And maybe, on a distant world orbiting that new light, life will rise again and look up, wondering where it all began. Because the truth is, we are made of that same stardust. Every atom in your body was forged in the death of ancient stars. And one day, the atoms of our sun will travel the same path, giving birth to new worlds and new beginnings. So when you feel the sunlight on your face, remember that you're feeling a heartbeat billions of years in the making. And know this: someday far into the future, that heartbeat will stop, but its echo will live on across the stars. Because in the universe, nothing truly ends. It only changes, evolves, and begins again.